Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hand in work on Google Classroom. So first of all, click on Your Class 1S, then go to the Classwork tab at the top. Here you'll be able to see all of your work. So for today, these are all the activities that you have to complete. So for example, if I want to complete the literacy, I'll click on the literacy. I'll click View Assignment at the bottom. Now obviously this will say your child's name, it won't say this person's name. Now after you have watched the video about what you might write on a postcard, your worksheet that you have to complete is over here. So you click on here and that will open up your document. And this is the space where you can write down what you did. So today I went to the beach and swam in the crystal clear sea. So obviously when you've finished your work, you don't need to save it, you can just click X at the top and it saves automatically. You can even go back on to check that it's saved. And your work is there that you've just written. So click off it, and if you wanted to write down a piece of work on paper to practice your child's writing, you can add a photo by adding here and click on File, and obviously you will have already had to upload a photo from whatever device you took the photo on. You have to upload it to the computer before it will show in your files. So once you've done that, you can click Browse, go to your pictures and select the picture that you wanted to upload. And then that will also be there for you to hand in. Final step is just to click Hand In and Hand In again. Okay? And that is how you submit your work on Google Classroom.